Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Travelocity Support. To contact Travelocity Support for assistance, these are the steps that you need to take. First, visit the Travelocity website by opening your browser and going to www.travelocity.com. Now, once you're logged in and takes you to the website, if prompted, just follow through the on-screen prompt to log in using your account credentials. And after logging in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Travelocity. So now that you're here, the next thing to do is to check the top right corner of the screen and you're going to find the support tab. Click on the support tab and that's going to take you to the help center. In this help center, you can use the search bar, which is on the help center page, to type in your query. Example, refund, cancel booking, or change flight. And after browsing the suggested help articles for that, so just go ahead and enter your query and click on search, and you'll be able to see suggested help articles for just the solutions to your issues, which could be common. But then if you need further assistance and you scroll down, you see that you may not find the direct option for you to contact them, but you can definitely chat with them directly. And how can you chat with them directly? Check the bottom right corner of the screen and you're going to find the help that is symbolized with or symbolized by the speech bubble here. Yeah, so just go ahead and click on that, and that opens up the chat box. So here's where you have the live chat. So start a live chat with the Travelocity support agent. Communicate whatever you want to communicate in this message box. So type in whatever you want to type. Ensure that you are very direct, because when contacting an agent via chat, you need to be ready to provide your booking confirmation number, account details, which include your email address and your phone number, and of course a brief description of your issue. Ensure it is detailed, ensure it is brief, and ensure it is straight to the point. Now, after doing that, you're going to get responses here. And you should be able to get the answer to your question after contacting the virtual agent. So these are the ways that you can contact or have access to Travelocity support decks. Now you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.